The cryptocurrency landscape is ever evolving, with significant changes on the horizon as we head into the fourth quarter of 2024 and the upcoming year 2025. Recent events have led to a major dip in Bitcoin, which might cause some concern among investors. But there's much more going on beneath the surface. Understanding these market movements is essential to making informed decisions. This video focuses on what comes next for Bitcoin and altcoins, as well as key predictions for the future. We'll also cover some crucial upcoming events, including major altcoin token unlocks that could impact volatility. Let's dive into what Q4 and 2025 have in store for crypto enthusiasts and investors. Major altcoin unlocks, October 2024. One of the most pressing events on the crypto calendar is the impending series of altcoin token unlocks, set to occur in October 2024. Token unlocks refer to the scheduled release of previously locked tokens into the circulating supply, and they can have a considerable impact on the market, especially in terms of price volatility. Investors who hold these tokens should be prepared for potential price swings and market shifts during this period. SUI tokens, October 1st, 2024. The first notable unlock is for SUI tokens, with 64 million tokens set to be released into circulation on October 1st. This accounts for 2.4% of the total circulating supply. While 2.4% may seem like a relatively small portion, in markets with limited liquidity, such a release can create significant price fluctuations. Holders of SUI should be cautious and aware of these dynamics, as sudden supply increases can temporarily suppress prices before the market adjusts. Aptos tokens, October 11, 2024. Just 10 days later, on October 11th, 11.3 million Aptos tokens will be unlocked, representing 2.2% of its circulating supply. Aptos has garnered attention in the crypto world due to its innovative consensus mechanism and high throughput, but this token release could lead to increased volatility. As with SUI, investors should brace for possible price drops or rallies, depending on market reactions to the increased supply. Celestia tokens, October 30th, 2024. The final major token unlock for the month occurs on October 30th, with 175 million Celestia tokens set to be unlocked. This represents a massive 82% of the total circulating supply, which could have a dramatic effect on the market. Celestia is a project focused on modular blockchains, and while its technology shows great promise, the sudden influx of tokens into the market could lead to substantial volatility. Investors holding Celestia tokens need to pay close attention to market conditions and prepare for possible price shifts. The takeaway for altcoin investors is clear. If you hold any of these tokens, it's essential to stay informed and prepared for potential volatility around these key dates. Sudden supply increases can lead to rapid changes in token prices, and understanding these dynamics is critical to managing risk in the crypto market. Bitcoin Q4 2024 and 2025. Outlook. Bitcoin remains the undisputed leader in the cryptocurrency space, and its performance in the fourth quarter of 2024 and into 2025 is a hot topic of discussion among market analysts and investors. The recent price dip has sparked concerns, but many experts believe that Bitcoin is positioned for significant growth in the coming months. To understand where Bitcoin is headed, we need to consider both technical indicators and broader market conditions, including global liquidity trends and stimulus efforts. Bitcoin has recently broken below a key support line, a development that has led some to question whether we'll see an immediate rally to new all-time highs. Breaking below a critical support level often signals further downside or a period of consolidation, and in this case, Bitcoin may remain range-bound for a while. This means that the price could fluctuate within a certain range without making a decisive move upward or downward. Investors should not expect Bitcoin to break all-time highs right away, but this doesn't mean that there's no cause for optimism. Market conditions are different now than they were during previous bull runs, and understanding these differences is crucial to forming a realistic outlook. Bitcoin's recent price movements suggest that we may not revisit the bottom of this range again soon, but it's important to acknowledge that anything is possible in the volatile world of crypto. What's more encouraging is the expectation of a significant move in the fourth quarter of 2024, driven by broader economic factors and liquidity cycles. market liquidity, and global stimulus. According to Bill Barheit, the CEO of Abra, Bitcoin is likely to experience a strong upward move in the next 4 to 6 weeks, primarily due to global liquidity trends. Barheit explains that there has been a broad consensus that central banks, particularly the Federal Reserve, will continue to cut interest rates and inject liquidity into the global economy. This liquidity cycle, in which multiple major economies like China, Japan, the United States, and Western Europe are coordinating stimulus efforts, is key to understanding Bitcoin's future price movements. Liquidity injections tend to drive up the price of risk-on assets like Bitcoin, and since Bitcoin is a fixed supply deflationary asset, it tends to appreciate significantly in these environments. Barheit predicts that Bitcoin will start to see the effects of these liquidity injections within the next 4 to 6 weeks, which lines up with expectations for a fourth quarter rally. Investors should keep an eye on global monetary policy, as any significant shifts in interest rates or stimulus measures could have a major impact on Bitcoin's trajectory. Key crypto narratives for 2025. As we look beyond the fourth quarter of 2024 and into 2025, it's essential to consider the broader narratives that will shape the crypto market. These narratives often drive investor sentiment and can lead to significant price movements. For 2025, there are 3 key narratives to watch: Bitcoin as a hedge, the convergence of crypto and AI, and the continued rise of gaming and meme tokens. Each of these narratives represents a distinct trend in the crypto space, and understanding them can help investors position themselves for success. Bitcoin as a hedge. One of the most compelling narratives for Bitcoin in 2025 is its role as a hedge against government policies and macroeconomic instability. While Bitcoin has long been touted as a hedge against inflation, its role as sound money is becoming increasingly relevant in a world where governments are engaging in aggressive monetary policy and deficit spending. Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, has recently awakened many institutions to the idea of Bitcoin as a hedge, but individuals in emerging markets and conflict zones have already figured this out on their own. For people living in countries with unstable currencies or authoritarian regimes, Bitcoin offers a way to preserve wealth and protect against the excesses of government policy. In 2025, we can expect to see growing interest in Bitcoin as a hedge, especially in regions experiencing economic turmoil. Whether it's due to inflation, capital controls, or outright confiscation of wealth, Bitcoin's decentralized nature makes it an attractive option for those looking to protect their financial independence. This narrative is likely to continue gaining traction, particularly as more institutional investors come on board. Another exciting development to watch in 2025 is the convergence of cryptocurrency, smart contracts, and artificial intelligence, or AI. Autonomous agents, which are a key component of AI, will require decentralized systems for storing value and processing transactions. Centralized banking systems are vulnerable to government interference, as we've seen in cases like the freezing of truckers' bank accounts during protests in Canada. In contrast, decentralized crypto systems cannot be easily shut down, making them a perfect match for AI-driven autonomous agents. For this convergence to happen, the crypto industry will need highly scalable, always-on Layer 1 blockchains capable of supporting smart contracts at scale. Fortunately, next-generation Layer 1s are already showing promise in this regard, with projects like Solana and Avalanche leading the charge. In 2025, we can expect to see further advancements in this area, as the integration of AI and blockchain technology opens up new possibilities for decentralized finance, or DeFi, and other applications. The final narrative that will likely shape the crypto landscape in 2025 is the continued rise of gaming and meme tokens. Over the past few years, these sectors have served as a valuable testing ground for the scalability of next-gen Layer 1 blockchains. Millions of people have participated in global experiments, using meme tokens and gaming applications to demonstrate that these new blockchains can handle massive transaction volumes at low costs. 5 years ago, building scalable decentralized applications on Ethereum was prohibitively expensive, with transaction fees reaching as high as $20. Today, thanks to advancements in blockchain technology, transactions are virtually free on newer Layer 1 networks. This scalability has profound implications for the future of the decentralized internet, which is what the internet was supposed to be all about in the first place. As gaming and meme tokens continue to attract large user bases, they will help pave the way for broader adoption of decentralized applications, or dApps, and services. In 2025, we can expect these sectors to play a crucial role in driving the next wave of innovation in the crypto space. Now, let's talk about what everyone is eager to hear: Bitcoin's price predictions for Q4 2024 and 2025. Based on current market conditions and broader economic factors, there is reason to believe that Bitcoin could break above its previous all-time highs before the end of the year, with even more significant gains to come in 2025. Breaking resistance in Q4 2024. As of now, Bitcoin is facing strong resistance at around $66,000. However, market analysts believe that within the next 4 to 6 weeks, sometime in late October or early November, Bitcoin will finally break through this resistance level. Once Bitcoin is able to break above this key resistance, it's likely that we'll see a retest of the all-time highs, followed by a period of consolidation. This is a common pattern in markets, where resistance turns into support after a breakout. If Bitcoin can clear the $70,000 mark, the market will likely recognize this as a sign of strength, setting the stage for further gains. Price outlook for 2025. Looking ahead to 2025, many analysts are predicting that Bitcoin will reach new milestones, including the highly anticipated $100,000 level. While it's possible that Bitcoin could hit this target in Q4 2024, it's more likely to happen in Q1 or Q2 of 2025, as liquidity injections and global stimulus continue to drive the market. Once Bitcoin reaches $100,000, the question becomes, how high can it go? Some believe that Bitcoin could rally for several months, potentially reaching even higher levels before a major correction occurs. The outlook for 2025 is not just bullish for Bitcoin, but also for other Layer 1 blockchains like Ethereum, which are expected to see significant price appreciation. As the crypto market matures, institutional adoption increases, and technological advancements continue, the potential for further growth remains strong. In conclusion, Q4 2024 and 2025 are shaping up to be pivotal periods for the cryptocurrency market. With major altcoin token unlocks, the convergence of key technological narratives, and the continued rise of Bitcoin, there's a lot to look forward to. However, as always, volatility is a key feature of the crypto market, and staying informed is crucial to making smart investment decisions. Subscribe to our channel for daily updates, and stay ahead of the curve as we navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving space.